Ayo. Buenas. Buenas di. No, buenas tardes. Hello, Barbie! Good evening, mayong gabi. Kumusta? Can I come?
Come into my humble
Humble home.
I'm sorry.
Oh my God. Oh, it's so nice here. It's cold. I like it. Kumusta?
I'm not good. I'm not feeling
Oh my God, it's been long. How many weeks na? 2? Oh, I smells bad.
My house smells bad?
No, naman me. Baka something ko man, like pinaksiw.
It smells like fish?
Mm-mm.
Dude, I think that's what made me sick. I cooked fish tinola.
Okay. Go do it. 1, 2, 3, go.
Barbie, I have a present for you.
So yeah. Open it,
Oh,
open
it's
it.
so
Oh my God, what's that?
Do I open the letter first?
I don't know, you try to open. I'm not open it. So what is that? You can broke na lang.
Okay, it says, Barbie Nene, thank you for your kindness. God bless you too. Joy.
May bisita tayo tonight. Oh, hi. Sinong pangalan mo, sir? May bisita tayo. Oh, hi. So nabuo na, nag-meeting lisim na dito lahat. Oo. Oh, you have a new fridge, Barb. Is that new?
No. Are you letting my dad? 15.
So ayan, binisita lang namin si Barbie. Kinumusta kasi within 20 days or like, yeah, something like that. Hindi kami nagkita. So excited naman. She's very white. I like it.
I don't.
No, you look fresh. You look like a Bee Gees, like very fresh. Like bagong aning.
I like to look sun-kissed.
No, it's
Mas
kuan.
guwapo.
You look like yellow. Yellowish man good skin mo.
But you know my skin is like red right now.
Ay, maybe you get good look, Bar, because of your hair. It's like dye.
Yeah.
It's nice also. Tapos your kilay. You have a good kilay.
You know the skin, the salon I went to in Cebu?
Yeah. You telling you see, I saw your post na it's like that's the most nice salon.
Yeah.
Oh, pero si Madam grabe ka busy. Abi ka okay kaayo. Oh, na, gwapahi. For the go. Mga lami.
What?
Grabe ka lami ni Sudan. Bye-bye for the go. Oh guys, no issue. Hindi yan sila magjowa. Friend lang po. Bye-bye. Oh,